Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When the end of September arrives, all of us who live above the 49th parallel know that it's just a short time before the cold weather sets in. Yay! This is when we start cooking heavier and preparing hot dishes. Oh, talking about hot, here's a fabulous soup that will be more than welcome when it gets cold outside. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my hot and sour soup. This soup is so tasty, perfect for the weather to come. It's a great, easy comfort food that is sure to warm you inside out. With delicious ingredients, my take on this Chinese dish will certainly please you and your family. So my friends, let's get cooking.
For this recipe, I use a dried red chili pepper, but instead, you can always use some red pepper flakes. Just go on the website for the amount. If you use a dried pepper like me, we'll simply cut it into small pieces. And yes, because it's dried, bits will be flying all over. Simply gather them up. And then we'll set aside. Again, don't go to the store to buy a bag of dried peppers and use the flakes instead. It's going to be the same thing, alright? Now, let's prep another ingredient, bamboo shoots. After draining the can, we'll stack a few together, otherwise we'll be here all day, and thinly slice them. It's a soup, so we want our ingredients small. Next, we'll grate some brown sugar. The one I'm using is Chinese, which I've already showed you when we made my egg roll recipe. It conveniently comes in separate slabs. If you don't have any on hand, substitute with granulated sugar. On the website, I explain how to replicate the taste of Chinese brown sugar using white, so check it out. Alright, so let's start. In a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, we'll add chicken broth, some low-sodium soy sauce, minced ginger, about a tablespoon, then our dried red chili pepper or flakes, grated Chinese brown sugar, and freshly ground black pepper. By the way, I always use mixed peppercorns. We'll give a good stir, and when it starts simmering vigorously, we'll add a large chicken breast, cover, and cook for 15 minutes. So when time is up, we'll take our chicken breast out of the pot and shred it. I don't show you my quick and easy way of doing that, but click on the top right corner of your screen to find out. We'll return the shredded chicken to the Dutch oven, and to this, we'll add the shiitake mushrooms, then the oyster mushrooms, followed by the bamboo shoots, the white parts of 2 large green onions, some rice vinegar, as well as seasoned rice vinegar, and sesame oil. We'll stir until the ingredients are well combined and bring the mixture back to a simmer. We'll cook for 10 minutes. 5 minutes through cooking, we'll add tofu, stir again, and let it simmer for the remaining time. Now, to help thicken the soup, we'll add the cornstarch mixture and stir very well. We want the consistency of the soup to look like this. Thick, but not overly so, because the next ingredient we'll add is our beaten eggs. In a thin stream, we'll slowly pour them in while stirring continuously. By adding slowly at the end, we'll get a beautiful thin strand of cooked eggs that will float. Plus, they will enhance the texture and give a nice flavor to the soup. When this step is done, we'll obviously taste and adjust if necessary. And for the final touch, we'll sprinkle on the green parts of the green onions. And my friends, this is our hot and sour soup. This classic American Chinese one-pot dish is simply delicious. The flavors blend so beautifully together. You'd swear you're at a Chinese restaurant or you just ordered takeout. It's definitely a tasty recipe to have on hand this fall. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!